Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge your videos with other elements on CapCut PC. So for instance, you have this video and you've added in filters. I'm just gonna add some random stuff to it. Filters, some effects as well, like this one for instance. Okay, that one is not showing up. Don't like that. Don't like that either. Yeah, sure, why not? Can add in some effects as well, add in some stickers to it. And you kind of want to merge it into one clip. To do that, you are going to basically select everything. If you have more, you can do that, but you can either select it like this, or you can use the Control A on your keyboard, right click, and then select create compound clip to merge it. And that is it. Super simple. It's merged now. You cannot, however, edit what's in it again. If you want to, it's best if you just select it doesn't work with stickers, but filters and effects, you can actually drag it and add it into the clip. I'll show you real quick. For instance, this one, you can add it onto the clip so you don't have to merge it again, but you can edit it if it's in the clip. So if you select the clip here, hold on, to edit the effects, just go to video, and here it'll show the effects that you used. Also works the same with filters. So here you can delete them and still adjust them, but it doesn't work if you try to put in stickers. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.